back everyone to another Durst product overview. Today we've got the BCD range, the heavy duty casing. This one's in a grey format, you can get it in yellow. It has a dual Anderson plugs on the front. You can do a half charge. This is an 80 amps, so with a half charge you'll get 40 amps and 40 amps. Charger for your batteries for commercial and industrial situation, as well as even your own car or truck, camper van, trailer. It's a brilliant product. You may have seen the previous video. We looked at the BCS range, which is essentially exactly the same battery charger, but this is encased and it's got some Anderson plugs. I'll go through this product with you now. So obviously the original one does not come with leads. It's obviously adapted for specific functionality, and you can check out the other video on that BCS range of battery charger. Okay, today we're looking at the BCD range. Essentially it's the same creature inside there, but you've got some added benefits of having a carry handle, heavy duty, wraparound cable, more of a mobile unit, a brilliant product. You also have the same thing again in terms of its functionality, buttons, which I'll go through in a minute. But you do have, notice, two things on the top. You've got your Anderson plugs to click in, which is a really great benefit. It just has a nice feel about it. It's a good high quality unit and it's a really robust system. Now this is again a fully automatic switched mode charger. What does that mean? It means that it knows what the battery's doing, it knows when it plugs in, and it works out the level through a sophisticated algorithm. It works out if it needs a charge of a significant amount, and they basically do a three way charge. It's a bulk charge initially, then it's an absorption charge, and it'll go to a float charge. And this just monitors that battery beautifully. When it's fully charged, it will isolate, turn it off, and it will recharge it again when it needs, as it needs, when it needs. Okay, so the only difference between these chargers and the BCSA range is these have a option for, there's a thing called load mode. Now what load mode does is allows you to turn these into essentially a power supply. So by flicking the adjustments on the front here, and the settings are all described how to do that, you turn this into a constant power supply. And why would you need this? You might need this if you're working on a car or a vehicle or some kind of industrial equipment where you want that constant power supply. So if you're a car dealership, you may want those cars to be permanently powered for display. You don't want that cycle of the charge on the battery continually going over months and months. This is a perfect option. You flick it onto load mode and that car is supplied with direct current all the time, bypassing the battery charging feature. So this is a wonderful product. It's a one-stop shop. It's a set and forget, just set it up and go, plus the added feature of the load mode. It's just a beautiful unit. High quality switching, high quality plugs, and a high quality product. I hope you enjoyed today's review of the BCD charger, heavy duty industrial, portable carry handle casing, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next Durst product review. Until then, stay safe. Thank you.